In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from PNC Bank. Whether it's for everyday needs, emergencies, or simply having some cash on hand, knowing how to efficiently access your funds is a vital skill. We'll cover a variety of methods tailored to different preferences and situations. So let's get started. Firstly, one of the most straightforward ways to withdraw money from PNC Bank is through an ATM, provided you have your PNC debit card. ATMs are conveniently located and accessible 24/7, making them an excellent choice for quick transactions. To begin, ensure you have your PNC debit card in hand. Simply insert your card into the ATM, enter your personal identification number, or PIN, and follow the on-screen prompts to withdraw cash. Select the amount you wish to withdraw, confirm the transaction, and don't forget to collect both your cash and receipt. This method is perfect for those who prefer the convenience of self-service. Next up, for those who prefer face-to-face interactions, withdrawing money at a PNC branch through a teller is an excellent option. This method is particularly useful if you have specific requests or need assistance with your account. When you arrive at the branch, let the teller know you'd like to make a withdrawal. You'll need to provide valid identification such as a driver's license or passport along with your account details. The teller will then process your request and you'll receive your cash directly. It's always a good idea to know your branch operating hours in advance to plan your visit accordingly. Another convenient and modern approach is utilizing PNC's mobile app features for cardless ATM access. This is an innovative option if you happen to forget your debit card or prefer not to carry it. Open the PNC mobile app on your smartphone and navigate to the cardless ATM withdrawal option. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and generate a unique access code. At the ATM, select the cardless option and input your access code to receive your cash. This method not only adds a layer of convenience, but also an extra level of security. Lastly, let's explore some indirect methods to access your funds. Consider utilizing bank transfers as a way to move money between accounts, either within PNC or to different banks. Transfers can often be done online or through your mobile banking app. Additionally, writing a check can be another effective way to withdraw funds, allowing you to pay for goods or services directly from your account balance. Each of these methods offers a unique approach to withdrawing money from PNC Bank, designed to cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you choose the self-service simplicity of an ATM, the personal touch of a teller, the tech-savvy cardless transactions, or indirect methods like transfers and checks, you can be confident that your banking requirements are thoroughly covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical financial tips.